What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over our friend BTC and look at the DXY. Currently, we're sitting at 25.8K, down 0.48 on the day. Same market cap, 503 billion. 24 volume, 9.85 billion. So, 4-hour chart, I do think it's likely we create a lower low. If you look at a micro count here, you have a wave 1 down. That's a wave 2 pullback. Wave 3 pulling back into 4, potentially come down in a wave 5. So now what we need to see is if we don't break this low and we start to bounce, because if we do that and we break this trend line, then we can see a straight breakout to the upside. However, if we break this low, that invalidates this. As I've been showing you guys, that would invalidate this as a 1-2 setup. And that's when you could come deeper towards about 23.5K. So we'll see what Bitcoin decides to do. If we just creep down and create a little bit of a lower low, but do not invalidate it, it's just a max pain 99% retracement. And then we start to bounce. If that does happen, we break this trend line, we can look for longs. If we fail to do that, we invalidate the 1-2 setup. Then we come lower to about 23.5K to about 24.2. If we take a look at this chart here, so what you would look at if we broke lower, as I've shown you guys previously, let me grab my brush, is that you've pushed up in a wave 1 to the upside, A, B, overshooting wave B, and you would come down in a wave C to take you down to that 23K range. If that does happen, it would take you down to the 50% retracement, which is normal for a wave 2 pullback. So wave 1 up, A, B, C down into 2, 50% retracement, 23.3K before potentially bouncing. We are underneath the daily EMAs as well as the weekly EMAs. So we need to get back above them before we can consider, let me just take this out, before we can consider anything bullish. If we look at the DXY, I do think there is an opportunity for the DXY to push a little bit higher. We had a fake out to the downside from this descending triangle. We broke out, we basically retested the daily EMAs, we bounced. So what we're looking at for DXY is we came down in a 5-way move into A. Now I think you're going WXY, 3-way move into a B before coming down in a wave C. So if that does happen, the DXY pushes higher, then the price of BTC usually will come down, which means there'd be a higher likelihood of coming down to that 23.5 to the low 24K target. So the key support to watch is 24.7K, which is the start of the wave 1. If it's broken, I would expect the 23K range, which is the next strongest level of support down in here. 23K. You can see all the support and resistance in this area. There's support and resistance right here. The chart is just loading. You can see the support and resistance in this area. So that would be our next level to bounce if we end up invalidating. All right, gang. Once we do enter a trade for BTC and many other cryptos, signals will be given in the Discord. It's $10 per month. You spend $10 every single day on junk you don't need and junk you put into your body. Sign up through the Patreon link, or you can grab a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I'm doing my trading, no KYC. And no VPN for my Canadian American traders looking for an exchange. Make a deposit of $50 or more. Email me your sign up email. You'll receive access to my VIP rooms for a 14-day free trial. My exact trade setups, as I mentioned, if you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Not only that, but you receive Forex signals and Forex analysis for many pairs. We're currently in a trade for gold, and we have upcoming trades, silver, and some other pairs that we're looking at. All links are in the description, in the comments, pinned to the top of the comments. Check it out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.